Hey everyone, it's Daniel, Brother Barbaris. This is about fixes, discrepancies, and updates. So what I've done is I've completely redid my lab from scratch just to make sure that all of the steps were correct. If you see any discrepancies, if you see any problems in between what I have on the screen and what you see in the notes, please always follow the notes. I went through, I had some feedback from some folks, and I fixed a few things, added a few steps, and just to make sure that everything is correct for you. Okay. I know that now if I follow these steps to the letter, that I will always, every single time, get this lab and it will be completely set up correctly. Okay. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can contact me at brotherbarbaris@gmail.com. You can also visit my LinkedIn. Have a great day, everyone.